Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of, well, a little bit of a change here, guys. So the big day happened today, I guess after hours yesterday. The new Bitcoin ETFs were finally approved by the SEC. Let me get rid of my sound alerts. And you can see, here's Mara. I'm only picking on Mara because this was such a, one that kept moving and moving and moving as Bitcoin kept going higher. A little choppy here. But look what happened after hours. I guess it was announced that the Bitcoin ETFs would begin trading today. And in the pre-market, everything looked rosy. The market opened. Most of the Bitcoin players were moving higher and higher. And then look at this sell-off. Okay, now I'm only showing you this because this is a classic. You hear this, it's very cliche, but you hear it all the time. Buy the rumor and sell the news. Now, I don't know what's going to happen going forward in the next little while, but certainly today was a sell the news day. Mara, I mean, look, this guy went from $29 down to $20. So that was definitely a buy the rumor, sell the news day. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin going forward, but I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. All right, everybody, hope to see you in the room tomorrow.